Hi, you're watching new video, and today it will be a quick review of TIDAL client for Linux. Now, there is TIDAL Hi-Fi client that from another developer. It's basically an Electron app, but HiTide is actually better. In fact, it is as good as client on Windows, their official one, at least to me. Now, why I'm saying HiTide is the best client, TIDAL client on Linux? Because it has something that no client on Linux has anymore. It is exclusive audio support, which you have on Linux on their official client, official TIDAL client. And how do you achieve exclusive audio on Linux? Now, there are multiple layers on Linux audio. When it comes to Linux audio, there is ALSA. ALSA is the lowest layer closest to the kernel. Then you have your audio server, your audio resampler or mixer, which can be pulse audio or pipewire. Usually these days people have pipewire, but you don't want to play through a pipewire. You really, if you want BitPerfect, you really wanna use ALSA. I'm not saying the BitPerfect is like some kind of a issue or like that resampling of pipewire is really bad. Most of the times resampling is most likely extremely good and you have no chance of noticing a difference. Where issue comes usually when your player is outputting higher kilohertz sampling rates, like 192 kilohertz or something, but your internal computer mixer is mixing at, I don't know, 48 kilohertz. Then ideally your mixer should have switched everything to, but the thing is, this is a mixer. The mixer usually mixes sounds from different sources. Different sources most likely output different sample rates. So he really can't like choose priority one or something. Like you can, I think, set pipewire to switch sampling rates if only one app is open and playing sound to the most optimal one, so we avoid resampling. But the best thing, if you really want your mixer out of the equation, then you need to use directly ALSA. So you find your device, look, we have here preferences, like we have here qualities, we can choose like whatever. And we have different audio things like ALSA, pulse audio, jack, pipewire, OSS, whatever that is. I didn't look into that yet. Now the best choice most likely is ALSA. Also jack, you can wire things directly with jack. Some say, I don't know, it has lower latency or something. But usually with pipewire, your jack is tightly integrated with pipewire jack package. So jack is kinda integrated into pipewire. You have your pipewire offers you Carla, usually is the one app that's used for wiring your patch bay, basically, your internal patch bay for wiring certain software to certain devices and the devices between each other. So, but I usually use ALSA, that's why you totally bypass pipewire. And here you of course choose your device. Of course, when you do that, nothing else would be able to use that device. But here it is, an app. This is the lyrics and it really is a simple GTK app made with libadwaita, as you can see. It doesn't team if you stand on your head, it won't team. It's libadwaita, like, yeah. We have animated covers, rich presence for like Discord. Have normalized volume, which like I don't know you want or you need. And yeah, track radius, share, and loudness, which it should be like BitPerfect if it's full. But I mean, if they are not doing everything wrong in an app itself, most likely the app is good. Now I didn't look at the source code and what they use for playing, like if they use some kind of I don't know, like we look after that video. I just wanted to share that app, and now you know how to play TIDAL BitPerfect on Linux. And in the past there was collaboration with Plex, TIDAL and Plex, and Plex client offered you direct ALSA output, but TIDAL Plex collaboration now is over, so you have no way to use Plex to listen to TIDAL. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like the video. Also, as you can see, I switched to KDE Plasma a little. There will be next video about reviewing KDE Plasma, like I was 2-year Hyperland user and now we are on KDE Plasma. So yeah, like, bye.